2 giant PEZ candy dispensers, and this one is Shrek and this one is Donkey, and it's going to be Shrek versus Donkey. And of course I've got a Gummy Joker tongue, yay, yummy. And of course, as you can see, I've got a giant surprise egg. I'm going to be opening that once I've opened the Shrek PEZ and the Donkey PEZ. So let's not waste any more time and open them.
Shrek, you tweet. Well, what should we do now? That's great!
Now let's taste some of the Gummy Joker tongue. And it smells delicious, guys. Good. I love Gummy Joker tongues.
But you haven't seen anything yet.
Now let's see what Shrek's got to say to Donkey, because it's Shrek versus Donkey.
Better out than in, I always say.
Now let's see what Donkey says.
Hi, everyone.
Donkey's funny. Whoa! I think he's gonna bite.
Get go. Are you sure it's a good idea?
They got a weird conversation.
What's for dinner? What's your name? I'm Shrek.
This is so much fun.
Well, what should we do now?
Now I'm going to show you how to load up the candy dispensers with PEZ. Just pull it like that. And then you put the candy inside. And you can put it up more as well. That looks about right. Now let's do Donkey. Put this one in. Woo! Now it's time to see what surprises are in this giant surprise egg. Woo! Look how big it is, guys. Whoa! Okay, let's place it down. Karate chop! Whoa! Donkey fell over. Wow! Look at the stuff that's inside, guys. So cool. I'm gonna put that half of the egg just there. Wow! Oh, there's some more PEZ in here. So we have got a Angry Birds keyring and just a whole packet of PEZ and another Angry Birds keyring, and these are really cool because they're like Angry Birds that are motorized. Super cool. And there is some more PEZs, and these are Angry Birds PEZ. So that's really cool. Wow, I just noticed these PEZ are sour and they paint your tongue. Now I'm going to load up Shrek and Donkey with some sour PEZ, and then I'll taste them. Oh. Okay, let's grab one. Put it into Shrek. Just lift it up a bit more. Now for Donkey. this from the side. Okay, so then load it up with some. Now I'm going to taste some sour PEZ and fruit flavoured PEZ. Whoa! So let's taste this PEZ and it is pink. Good! And this one is the one that's not sour. So now let's taste the sour one that is in Shrek.
What's for dinner?
And this one is a blue PEZ. You know, it's not that sour, but it is a little bit, well, it might be sour when you chew it. Yeah, that is sour. Ew. Now let's try one in Donkey. Oh, these ones are green. Oh, they sort of look green and sort of a light blue. Sour.
What's your name?
And here's a bar of sour PEZ.
Hi everyone. Are you sure this is a good idea?
Now I'm going to open my surprises. First, going to open this Angry Birds. Whoa, this was hard to open. Woo. Whee. So let's open this one. This was another Angry Birds, but it's a different bird. Ooh, look at this one. This one's cool. Now let's open this keyring. Oh, look at this. It even looks like it's Star Wars. And I think this one is Red Bird, but in a Star Wars character. And it comes with some stickers. Let's open the other keyring. No way, I just got the same one. That is weird. And now, is this another one? Looks like I got another key. So did this? Well, at least I didn't get the same one. I cannot tell what bird that is. Woo! They crashed. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! This is fun.
What's for dinner? What's your name? I'm Shrek between. Well, what should we do now? That's great! And you haven't seen anything yet. Oh, my butt is itching up a storm and I can't reach it in this monkey suit. Yeah.
These giant PEZs are so cool, especially because they can talk. And my favourite surprise of the day would probably be this Angry Birds Star Wars Darth Vader. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. I love you guys. See you soon. Bye.
Better out than in, I always say.
Ha ha ha.